Only need to connect the L line and the fire line. Wait for the device to power on after being turned on. Access device. Choose the language and country displayed on the device. Connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi. Swipe down to display device functions. Swipe up to go back to the homepage and scan the QR code to log into the eWeLink account. Select Scan QR code in the top right corner of the app. Swipe down the screen and select Add Device. Long press the pairing button to put the sensor into pairing mode. The status of the sensor switch will be displayed on the device. Perform the same steps to pair other sensors. Temperature and humidity sensors will upload data in real time on the device. Motion sensors can be used with smart lights for scene applications. Activity sensors will indicate whether there is human movement and provide real-time notifications of the status. Pairing with smart light sockets can enable scene applications in conjunction with sensors. Next, we will demonstrate the call function and scene settings. Smooth calls and good sound quality. Choose scene settings. Set the intelligent light socket to turn on when the sensor is in the open state, and turn off when the sensor is in the closed state. Since setup is complete, let's take a look at the results together.
慢一点。对，不用那么近，它范围。